मुत्तहदा आंध्र प्रदेश के साबिक वज़ीर आला राजशेखर रेड्डी की यौम पैदाइश पर लोकसभा में अपोजिशन लीडर व कांग्रेस के रहनुमा राहुल गांधी ने उनकी खिदमात को याद किया। उन्होंने अपने वीडियो पैगाम में राजशेखर रेड्डी को हकीकी अवामी लीडर करार दिया और कहा कि वो आंध्र प्रदेश के अवाम में यकीन रखते थे और उनके लिए वो ज़िंदगी गुजारते थे।
Namaskar. Today is Rajashekar Reddy ji's birthday. A true leader of the masses, a person who felt for the people of Andhra Pradesh, who believed in the people of Andhra Pradesh and who lived for the people of Andhra Pradesh. It's a tragedy that we lost him, and I'm absolutely certain that if he was here today, Andhra Pradesh would be a completely different place. It would not be facing the tragedies, the difficulties it is facing today. Sharmila ji is his daughter. I've got to know her well. I'm confident that she's going to take forward Rajashekar Reddy ji's legacy, and she's going to do it because she has the same sentiment, the same tenacity, the same grit and the same affection and love for the people of Andhra Pradesh that he had. I personally learnt a lot from Rajashekar Reddy ji. My Bharat Jodo Yatra, the walk from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, was inspired by Rajashekar Reddy ji's yatra across Andhra Pradesh. I remember seeing the visuals of Rajashekar Reddy ji walking through the heat, walking through the rain, and walking with the people of Andhra Pradesh. And we took some of those ideas and we